Hey y'all, I'm back. It's been a minute. I got off work. I went to the Walmart store, got what I needed. We're having OR week this week. Today is October 23rd. Yesterday was little man's birthday, so I say happy birthday, little man. But I went and got what I needed and a few other things, and it was $60, $59 and some odd change. I couldn't believe it. I was like, child of mercy. But let me flip you around, show you what I got. And I'll do a little bit of talking, and then I will start recording the video. So you will see this video before, because I need to post some videos. So I do apologize for the video, because it is a small grocery haul. But I need to get back on posting for YouTube. And this weekend, I should be able to post or to record right mini videos. But we're gonna get there. We're gonna get back up, and we're gonna get back rolling. I will tell you. See, now I'm gonna start getting long-winded. But I will tell you, I got to go out and I met Laura and Shannon. Oh my gosh, I know y'all watching. Love to you, much love to you. Our Disney cruise was a blast. I had so much fun. I think there was a lot of feedback on the Facebook page of like, they didn't like their staff members or their staff, like their dining room staff and stuff. I loved mine. I absolutely loved them, but maybe it's because I was so involved and I was doing so much with them. So I absolutely enjoyed them. And we did the 2 back-to-back cruises. So we sailed for 9 days, 9 nights, 10 days. Did not want to leave. Absolutely enjoyed myself. And I will be posting videos on that as well. But let's spin you around and show you this little grocery haul, and I'll talk to you a little bit more, and then I need to get started recording videos. So see you in a few minutes. Okie dokie, artichoke. So here's our little grocery haul, and I got this to make the recipes that I need. So I'm going to make 3 recipes. Being I told you that it's OR week, I have 3 recipes that I'm going to make, and they are called, in no order whatsoever, they are called pumpkin pie spice dip, candy corn parfaits, and graveyard dirt cups. Now, for the graveyard dirt cups and for the pumpkin spice dip, I am not making it in its little cups or anything. I'm going to put it in here. It does say for the, what was the other one that I called? For that other one, it needs to be in a clear dish. So I do have a clear dish for it. I do have some ingredients that I did not need to buy, but I'll show you guys that whenever I make the recipes. I haven't tried the spice sauce dumplings, so I am going to cook those. It's got gochujang garlic sauce, so I'm excited to taste that. And I got this one, so this will be my supper tonight. This little bag salad kit is now up to $2 a bag. I get it. I understand it. But my goodness, you might as well just buy the other bag. But the only thing is that I don't use the bag in time and it ends up going bad. Any suggestions? I am willing to listen to any suggestions and guidance, or however you want to give it to me. I'm willing for it. Brown sugar, because I can't remember if I have some. I need a coffee creamer. And then we're pumpkin. I got me some chocolate milk. Then I need this to make the pudding. I'm trying to get away from the milk thing, but man, last night when I woke up at 11 o'clock in the night, I wanted some chocolate milk. I got these for breakfast. However, I will not buy these again. I think these were almost $4, and I can make them for cheaper than that. So I will be making those this weekend. So you'll be seeing a video of that. I'm going to do some meal prep. And I love a good banquet pot pie. Some people are Marie calendars. I like it old school. I like the turkey pot pies. And yes, I still cook them in the oven because they're better. Can I cook them in the microwave? Absolutely. And then I got these. Some are sour, and then some are the twin snakes. I got these to go on the Oreo dirt pudding things. And these are for the dip, and I need them for like the little graveyard tombstone. So that's my little $60 haul. Can you believe that? $60. And I'm like, oh, yeah, I am on a tight budget now, because I no longer am a traveler. I am a permanent employee. So I get paid by the hour, and I have to make every penny stretch. So that's why it's going to be meal planning, budget friendly. Bougie on a budget is working, baby. So let's get this party started. I hope to see you guys in the comments. I can't wait to talk to y'all in the comments. I will be posting pictures on my community page. And I'm going to try to do like the little short videos without having to post a short. I seen somebody else do that, and I asked how they did that, and then I forgot to go back and check how they did that, so I need to figure that out. But yes, I will try to post those on my community page as well. That way y'all can see it. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the comments, and I can't wait to get back on the swing of things. I'm so excited for this. We got to boost this channel up. We got to get it going. We got to get it rocking. So share, like. Comment. Let's tell a story, y'all. Let's get that story down in there. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the comments.